All right. So here are the answers to the problems. I didn't have space to graph 1 or 3, so I didn't. But these are the graphs and the centers and the radius for each of the problems. There was nothing really special going on here. You just needed to remember that if there was no minus, like x minus a value, it was minus 0, right? So you would want to maybe rewrite it as x minus plus 0 squared, or x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equal to 16. And then go ahead and set negative h to 0, and negative k to 0. Divide both by -1 to get h is 0, k is 0. So that's how you find your center if you have this form of your equation of a circle. Otherwise, it's exactly like the example, right? You set negative h to that value there, -2. You'll set negative k to that value there, -1. Divide both sides by -1, and we'll get h is 2, k is 1, which is the center of our circle. And then we'll set r squared equal to 9, right? Square root both sides, you get r is equal to 3. These problems down here, what I did is I graphed it first, and then after graphing it, you could tell that this point here is the center because it is equal distance away from the other 2 points. There's no way that we could have drawn, like if we took this point here as a circle, it's not the same distance away from the other 2 points, right? This point F is the only point that's the same distance away from the other 2 points. So then if F is the center of our circle, then that means our circle would also need to go through this point here and that point there, because of course the center is perfectly symmetrical. So I went ahead and drew that, and then I took my center at F, and then I calculated my R using the center and one of the other 2 points using distance formula, and then I plugged everything in and got this as the equation of my circle. Did the same thing over here, right? I graphed R in the center, and then I found that only R is equal distance away from the other 2 points. So because of that, I went ahead and drew symmetrical points, 2 other symmetrical points, drew my circle, and then calculated my R using distance formula, and then dropped everything into the equation of a circle format. And that's that.